According to the National Electrical Code, specifically Article 334.10 from the 2017 NEC, Type NM cable can be used in 1 and 2 family dwellings and other structures not over 3 floors above grade. Office buildings are not explicitly listed as structures where Type NM cable is permitted. There may be exceptions or special circumstances that allow for the use of Type NM cable in 3-story office buildings. If the Type NM cable was installed before the NEC requirement changed, it may still be compliant. If the Type NM cable was installed as part of a remodel or extension that was inspected and approved, it may be allowed to remain. In some cases, an electrical inspector may grant a special permit to allow the use of Type NM cable in a 3-story office building if there are extenuating circumstances, for example, limited access to conduit. Some potential issues to consider include open junction boxes, uncovered slots in cable trays, and access problems. Exposed live parts in a junction box are a safety hazard. Uncovered slots in cable trays can allow debris to enter and cause damage to wiring. Tight spaces or lack of access may make it difficult to properly install and maintain Type NM cable. Given the potential concerns with the use of Type NM cable in 3-story office buildings and the specific issues identified, it is not recommended to continue using Type NM cable in this building. Consider the following alternatives. Firstly, conduit. Either metal or polyvinyl chloride conduit provides better protection for wiring and is typically used in commercial buildings. Secondly, metal-clad cable. This flexible armored cable can be used in exposed locations and is more durable than Type NM cable. And thirdly, armored cable. This cable has a flexible metal armoring and is also suitable for exposed locations. It is advisable to consult with a qualified electrician to assess the specific situation and determine the best course of action for your building.